Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to create this look, but before starting the video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell button, because only through that you will be notified about my next video. So if you want to know how I created this look, just keep on watching. Firstly, I am going to moisturize my face. I will just massage this cream onto my face. For the primer, I am using COLORBAR primer. I am using this MAYBELLINE FITME foundation. Now with a beauty blender, I am going to blend it. For the concealer, I am using MAYBELLINE AGEREWIND concealer. Again, I am going to blend it with my beauty blender. For setting my face, I am using BHARAT and DORIS loose powder. Now for the eyes, I am also again going to use this MAYBELLINE AGEREWIND concealer. Again, I am going to blend it. I will also set this with BHARAT and DORIS loose powder. For the eyebrows, I am using MAYBELLINE Duo Shaper. Now for the eyes, I am taking this Wet n Wild palette. From this, I am going to use this transition shade. I will apply it over my crease area. I'm going to apply some loose powder under my eyes, so if there will be any fallout I can dust it off. Now for the crease area I am taking this Huda Beauty palette and taking this red shade. I am going to apply it on my crease. Now for my brow bone, I am again going to use this Wet n Wild palette. I am taking this highlighting shade, apply it on my brow bone. For the lid area I am using this half and half palette and taking this golden shade, applying it directly on my lid. For the eyeliner, I am using Gigi Hadid eyeliner. Firstly, I am going to curl my lashes. For the mascara, I am using COLORBAR mascara. For the lower lash line, I am going to take this red shade and apply it all over my lower lash line. I am taking this dark shade and again going to apply it on my lower lash line. For kajal, I am going to use this Revlon kajal. Now I am going to smudge it. For my inner corners, I am going to use this SIVANNA highlighter. Just going to apply it in the inner corner of my eye. I am also applying mascara on my lower lash line. Now I am going to apply some falsies but off camera. For the falsies I am using this false eyelashes. So now I am done with my falsies. I am going to apply some mascara on this also. For the contouring I am using this Faces palette. I am taking this contour shade. I'm also going to apply it under my jawline. On my nose also. For the blush I am using the same palette. For highlighter I am using SIVANNA palette. I am going to use this shade to highlight. I am using this on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my cupid's bow, on my chin also. Now for the lips I am taking this ORIFLAME lip liner. It is in the shade red. For the lips I am taking this Amsterdam lipstick. So my makeup is done. Now I am going to fix my makeup. I am going to use this Makeup Revolution fixing spray. So my makeup is done. I will be back with my complete look. So this is my final look. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to like and share this video, and see you in my next video. Bye.